Hi everybody, Kim Sashio here. I'm the Assistive Technology Specialist for Kenyatta College. I would like to show you the online interface for Otter, which is a note-taking support that we offer students who are registered with our DRC. I want to point out a few key features here, but first I want to emphasize that this works hand in hand with the mobile app. I've provided another video showing you how that app works, but anything that you record here shows up in the mobile app, and anything that you record in the mobile app the mobile app shows up here. So for example, in this folder, everything is from this web interface, and these are all my mobile app recordings. So it doesn't matter. Everything looks exactly the same. Another thing I want to point out is, well, really an apology. This animation can get really distracting. I need you to completely ignore this. Do not sync your calendars. It causes a lot of problems for us and for you, so please don't do it. If this gets too distracting, you can always just go to the My Conversations page, which is nice and clean. In fact, I think we'll just record from here. Is that frankly that gets me distracted as well. All right, another key thing I want to point out is this record button will only work for recordings that are made through your computer's microphone. Okay, so Otter has to quote unquote hear anything that you want to record. Now, if you are in a Zoom meeting and you have the professor's permission, of course, you can put the URL for the meeting right in here, and then a little critter called the Autopilot automatically joins the meeting and will create a recording and transcription for you, even if you have headphones in. So this is a handy thing to use if you are, say, in a public place and you have earbuds in or headphones and you can't record the meeting in the normal way. You can just put the URL in here. But otherwise, you just click record. And what it's going to do is generate a transcript for you of anything that it hears. Okay? This transcript is pretty accurate. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. Once you're done with the recording and you hit the stop button here, Otter whirls into action and does a few different things that I'll show you. One of the things it does is fine-tune the recording transcription. So it makes the transcription as good as it can. What do I want to point out here? Well, I want to point out that if you want to take a screenshot of the image, you can just do that. Or, pardon me, there's a couple extra steps. What you would do first is create a screen grab with your keyboard by just pressing the screen grab key, and then you would find an image and upload it. This could be useful if you have pictures you've taken of, I don't know, lab equipment or whatnot, and you can put it in there. Let's see, what else do I want to show you? If the professor says anything important, you can click highlight, and that'll help you find the content more easily later on, and I'll show you that. You could click comment and add a comment. Just type it in there. I'm not going to demonstrate that though. Let's go ahead and stop this. Oh, one other thing. If your instructor says anything personal, what you can do is pause it, and then when you're ready to go, click this again, and it will start recording again. All right, let's stop the recording. I want to show you a couple of things. So first of all, I could have titled this while I was listening, but I think I'll just give it a title now. Demo. And also I want to show you that it has created it's working on a summary. I'm going to show you a completed recording. This is still processing. So let's go back to, how about one of my in-person things? Here we are. So this is a conference I went to, and notice it opens up on the summary tab. This AI summary is very helpful, but please don't depend on it 100% for your note taking. It can definitely, if you were having a tough day and you just could not take notes in class for whatever reason, this will get you started for sure. In fact, you could copy the summary. See, it says it's copy to the clipboard, and then you would paste it in any word processing program you use, Word, Google, Pages, whatnot. Notice it has an action item list. This was just a lecture. There were no action items, but this is still kind of useful for me because this pulls out what it believes are key points. And then here, it will summarize, it summarizes the content of the lecture. Now, again, this is a robot. It's not going to be perfect, but it's pretty good, and it will get you started. And you can see it links to the pictures I took. And if I want to learn more about any of this, I can just click this, and it opens up this transcript page. Then I can listen to it again. I was sitting pretty far back, so I know you're going to have a hard time hearing that. If I wanted to, I could just turn the audio up and be able to hear it. So I've got the pictures, I've got the audio. I didn't do any highlighting. If I had put highlights, the highlighted text would show up here. Let's see, what else do I want to show you? Oh, I want to show you how to download a transcript. Why might you want to download a transcript? Well, this, you might notice here, it has put in the punctuation for you, and it's pretty accurate. So this could be a useful dictation tool. And in fact, the mobile app does not let you download the transcript. What you have to do is open the transcript that you made, the recording that you made with the mobile app, like this one. This is something I used with the mobile app. And then you need to download the transcript from here. What that lets you do is use your iPhone or your computer as a dictation tool for yourself. You could just, instead of typing out a rough draft, for example, you can speak into your phone or into your computer, and then you can download a Word document and just have something to get started. So let's click Export, and I'm going to make certain it's a document, and click Export. And then you just put it wherever you would. It's a Microsoft Word document. Save it wherever you want, and then open it up in the word processor. Okay, I think that's all I would like to share in this demonstration today. I hope it was helpful. Take care. Bye-bye.